A signal is drawn on a time axis that runs both ways from the origin. The unit step changes value once, at the origin. The value is 1 from the origin onward and 0 before it, and that pair of values is the whole of the unit step function u. The symbol is spoken as the unit step at a given instant. The symbol is a single function value and not a product of two letters. The definition fixes the value at the origin rather than leaving it open. At the instant -1, the value is 0, and at the instant 1, the value is 1. In words, the step is 0 until the origin and 1 after it. The same step can begin at any instant, not only at the origin. Subtracting a constant from the time delays the step by that constant. The delayed step holds 0 until the instant 1 and 1 from there onward. Adding a constant to the time advances the step by that constant. The advanced step rises at the instant -1 instead. Subtraction delays the jump and addition advances it, whatever the constant. Two steps that begin at different instants are set on one time axis. A rectangular pulse is 1 on an interval and 0 outside it. The pulse takes the value 1 on the closed interval whose length is the pulse width. One step rises at each edge of the pulse. The advanced step minus the delayed step leaves exactly the strip between them. At the right edge, the difference misses the pulse by 1. Both steps are 1 there, so the difference is 0 while the pulse is 1. Off the right edge, a difference of 2 steps is a rectangular pulse. The pulse encloses a region between itself and the time axis. The pulse is 1 on an interval whose length is its width, and 0 everywhere else. The integral over the whole axis therefore reduces to an integral over that interval. An integrand of 1 over an interval returns the length of the interval. The area equals the width, whatever the width is. Halving the width halves the area because the height never changes. The shaded region is a rectangle of height 1 and width equal to the pulse width. The signum takes only 3 values. The signum reports the sign of the instant and nothing else. The value is 1 after the origin, -1 before it, and 0 at the origin itself. The value at the origin is 0, not 1, and the definition fixes it. Substituting the reversed instant into the definition reverses the sign of every value. The ray above the axis turns through half a turn about the origin and lands on the ray below it. The reversed signal is the negative of the signal at every instant. The signum is an odd signal. The unit step is 1 from the origin onward and 0 before it. The ramp is the time itself, switched on at the origin. Multiplying the time by the unit step gives the ramp function r. Before the origin, the step is 0, so the product vanishes. After the origin, the step is 1, so the product is the time itself. At the instant 1, the ramp is 1, and at the instant 2, the ramp is 2. The ramp rises with unit slope from the origin onward. The area under the unit step accumulates from the origin onward. A running integral adds a signal up to the present instant. The integration variable runs over the instants before the present one. The running integral of the unit step is the ramp. Before the origin, the integrand is 0, so nothing accumulates. After the origin, the integrand is 1, so the accumulated area is the elapsed time. The shaded area grows as the upper limit advances, and the ramp climbs to exactly the same height. Up to the instant 2, the shaded area is 2 units, and the ramp stands at 2. Integrating the unit step produces the ramp. The ramp climbs in a straight line after the origin and lies flat before it. The slope is the rise divided by the run. Between the instants 1 and 2, the ramp rises by 1 over a run of 1. Between the instants -2 and -1, the ramp does not rise at all. The slope of the ramp is 1 after the origin and 0 before it. Those are exactly the 2 values the unit step takes. The ramp has a corner at the origin where it has no slope. Off the origin, the slope of the ramp is the unit step.